Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's been long since you got a video from me. I've been very busy lately with private lessons. So if you're one of those who are looking for one-on-one guitar lessons, please inbox me here on this number or email me here. Also follow me on my Facebook and my TikTok. Chitekete. Here's our today's lesson. Okay, so now I hope this is slow enough. So first note on the 12th, fret number 12 there, 12th fret, string number 1. By the way, this bass line has two variations in the intro. The first one is the one I just played now. And then the second one, the bassman did something like. So that's our first part. There's a slide there. You know, you kind of slide from 12 to 10. Then you pull. In Sungura, guys, I think for it to sound good, the bassman has to pull, you know. The bassman, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the second variation. So let's start on the first one, slow, right? First one is done, the first half. Now let's go to the second variation. Same. There's a kind of plucking in there. They call it pull off, I think. I'll research it. I think it's a pull off. So I think you got it by now. So let's play, right? Let's groove with Mr. Dembo.